Meet Sana and Laila. Sana was born in rural Gotki in Sindh. Laila was born to parents living in Lahore. Because of where they were born, Sana and Laila are likely to live very different lives. Sana is 4 times more likely than Laila to have been born to poor parents, one of the 47 million people who live below the poverty line. Laila's mother was more likely to receive prenatal care during her pregnancy, and more than twice as likely to be assisted by a health professional during childbirth. The differences do not end here. Sana is far less likely to get all her vaccinations in time, less likely to have access to a functioning healthcare facility like a basic healthcare unit or a good district hospital. She is also less likely to have access near her home to a primary, middle, and high school, which she can afford. Many of these disadvantages of living in a poor district magnify the impact of a household's own poverty. For example, very few households in Gotki have access to improved toilet facilities or water that is safe for drinking. As a result, Sana is more likely to suffer from diarrhea in childhood. She is also almost twice as likely to be stunted. This will impact her life in many ways. As a child, she will be less able to learn, affecting her performance in school and her ability to progress from primary to middle and high school. And she will go on as an adult to have a child of her own who will likely be underweight. Sana is also far less likely to make it past primary school, whereas Laila has a much greater chance of attending middle school. These differences will set them up for different paths in life, with different opportunities and different possibilities. If we want Sana and Laila to have an equal chance at succeeding in life, we need to know these differences and act now to remove them. Where is poverty the highest in Pakistan? And where has poverty declined the most over time or worsened? Which districts are lagging on school enrollment of boys and girls? How does your district fare? Answers to these questions and many more are now just a click away. The District Development Portal under the Data for Pakistan initiative compiles district-level data from a range of sources from 2004 to 2018 and creates district-level maps to visualize critical information in an easy, effective, and informative way. Let's take an example. With the District Development Portal, you can select the poverty rate as your base indicator and view its progression over time. You can then select one of the 130 plus indicators, say net enrollment in primary school among boys, and then compare this to a third indicator, say net enrollment in primary school among girls. You can also view changes in these indicators over time. With all these data at the click of a button, we can work together to build a Pakistan where Sana and Laila and millions of children like them have access to the same services and opportunities in life.